From a unique and luxurious anti-aging line comes this innovative cream that will leave your skin looking better than ever. With Skin Lift Restructure to supply an active lift for younger appearance. Skin Lift for an optimal natural lifted appearance. Black and white diamond powder to encourage brightness. Beta-carotene stem cells to repair wrinkles and sunspots. Take a look at the unique benefits it offers. Apply onto clean skin to enjoy stunning results. Other women loved it, giving it a total of 5 out of 5 rating. A unique rare blend of luxurious actives sourced from around the world. Shop now.